Hey guys, good morning. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Jimmy Morales, and this will be the start of my video blogging channel. I just want to share my experience for today, which I've fulfilled. One of the things I desired to do. So, which is the jogging thingy, and it's really hard and it's really tiring, and we're about to reach our destination, and I wasn't really sure if how many kilometers we've jogged. So but along the way, dami naming experience, yung parang sa daan sumasakit yung tiyan ko, and then yung parang natatay ako, pero hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalabas kasi ang daming taong dumadaan. And then and also for this day, it's really hard to wake up in the morning with things you want to do like this. Ano ba pinagsasabi ko? So gusto ko lang i-share yung ginawa namin for today. Dumaan kami doon sa my school, and then kumain kami doon, nag-snack kami. So nakakapagod talaga. At saka after namin bumili ng hot cake doon, si kuya nagwawalis, tapos yung sa katabi niya, yung alikabok mo punta doon sa tinda niya. Dead ba lang sila? Di ba, parang vitamins. So if you guys want to suggest anything that you'd like me to do, I'm up for any challenges or any pranks. Wag lang yung just don't suggest na yung mga bagay na kakasakit ng tao. Of course, ayokong ganun. So I think that's all for now, and unfortunately hindi ko na videoan lahat yung ginawa kasi sobrang na-overwhelm ako sa malayo pala. Akala ko malapit lang. Ang hirap pala pag first time mong mag-jump. Actually, third attempt na namin to, kaso lang pag gising ko sa umaga, parang sobrang nakapagod, so balik tulog. So and now we've fulfilled it. So and I'm glad we did it. So yun pala yung kasama ko sa pag-jog. So kasi parang it's really parang kapagod, or parang walang gana pag ikaw lang mag-isa. So I think that's all for now. Thank you guys. So see you next time. Once again, this is Jimmy Morales, and you have a great day. Bye bye.
My name is Jeff.